In this video, we are going to be talking about absolute value inequalities. Now, the goal of this video is to just grasp an understanding of what a problem like this is asking for. And so we have the absolute value of x plus 2 is less than 3, and the absolute value of x plus 2 is greater than 3. Now, when it comes to absolute values, we need to think of it as distance on a number line. So when you have the absolute value of x plus 2 is less than 3, you got to think about 3 as a distance. So that distance can either be going negative or it can be going positive. And so if we were to graph this on a number line, the absolute value of x plus 2 less than 3 would fall inside of negative 3 and positive 3, like so. And now the right side here, the absolute value of x plus 2 greater than 3 would fall inherently on the outside. So we have x plus 2 is on the outside of negative 3 and positive 3. If this video helped you grasp a better understanding of what an absolute value inequality is, please hit that like button. If you still have questions, comment down below or check out some other videos I have on this same topic. For additional resources, check out the description, and as always, thank you for watching.